We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2014 Harley-Davidson Softail Slim. This one is in black and silver with a pinstripe. We have the Dean exhaust system, a Mustang seat, extremely comfortable, rider floorboards, and engine guards as well. We have smoked out turn signal lenses. It's like that on the rear as well. And heel toe shifter. This bike is keyless. It has a fob. Miles are 19,823. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles, located in San Marcos, California, and we're open for test rides 6 days a week.